everyone, good morning. Kind of a late start, 8 a.m. I wanted to get started on this stump. As you can see, got it out of there. It was a monster of a stump too. Broke it down, tried to dig around it, but I had to take the axe to it and just chop it up and break it off. So now that I have that stump up, I think there are a few more that should be a bit easier. And I am going to clear everything out, level it off, and then make my line where the yellow cord is. But yeah, that's where we are. Saturday morning, early start. It is very humid and hazy. Tons of cloud cover, but I'm gonna try and get this done and get out of here. It is Formula One weekend, so you know how that goes. So far so good. Did a lot of weeding, as you can see. There's nothing but weeds in that bag. I've been sitting on that bucket and hand picking them. Then I'm going to take the flat shovel, go down a few layers. I've taken out most of my stumps. As you can see, there was a huge stump there. I know you can't see a lot on camera at this height. It all looks blended in, but there was like 3 stumps. I think there's one more to go over here. So I'm going to continue to pull these weeds. There's like tons of them. And that's what's in this bag here. And let's see if you can see that. So I want all the vegetation out of this area. Wow, a deer. A deer just went across the street. There's nothing about wildlife here, but especially in the backyard, you've seen the deer, the turtle, the geese, the snakes, the ducks. But yeah. I want no vegetation over here. I want it to look just like this side. And then we start with the weed killer, then we start with the barrier, and then we dig for the bushes. I'm excited. When I see nothing but soil, I'm excited. So remember, we're not going to take it all the way out. I believe it's going to bow out. Probably half of this. So I don't know if you can see the line I just made, but it's going to curve. So why don't we do it like this? I am an amateur, so bear with me. Basically, I'm going to shape it to run off that. This side is going to be grass. This side, we're going to weed, put the plastic barrier down, mulch, and bushes. That's the plan. It's still early, hazy and humid. The sun hasn't come out again. It is Formula One weekend, so I'm going to tidy up here and get ready for the race in Austria. But I love to see that soil with nothing in it. So yeah, I'll probably be another hour. Shape my line, and that'll be it. I know, I'm always saying I'm gonna call it a day, but I end up pushing on. That's just me. Slow and steady wins the race. At least that's what they taught us in the academy. I think this really is gonna be it. So tomorrow, Sunday, or maybe Monday, I'll come and dig this huge anaconda out. I don't know if you can get a look at that thing. Man. So I'll get that dug out, pull the rest of the weeds, make it look like this, smooth. And then we will go from there. All right, everyone, I hope you guys are having a nice weekend. Carol Tinapo, I'm waiting for you to help me. Larice, I'm waiting for you. You said you'd help me. Who else? I got a lot of offers to help, but nobody showed up. Yeah, I think that's going to be it. So if I come back with another video after this, don't laugh, but I just know how to push on. That's just in my blood. But I think I'm hoping this is gonna be it. Yeah. By the time I get cleaned up and run in, hop in a shower and catch the race, it'll be a wrap. All right, guys, enjoy.